Hi, in previous classes we are discussing about the molecular orbital energy level diagram of N2. Here N2 is a diatomic molecule. We can draw the molecular energy level diagram like this. Here we calculate the bond order. Nitrogen bond order is 3. So 3 is bond order. If bond order is 3, so the number of bonds between the nitrogen and nitrogen is 3, and there is no unpaired electrons are present, so it is a diamagnetic nature, and the energy order is like this. Next we are discussing about the molecular orbital energy level diagram of oxygen atom. Here oxygen is a diatomic molecule. Why oxygen is a diatomic molecule? Why we are called as oxygen is a diatomic molecule? Here oxygen having two atoms to form a molecule. So di means two. Two atoms to form a molecule is called diatomic molecule. In oxygen we are splitting oxygen and oxygen. In oxygen we indicate the number 1, and another oxygen I indicate the number 2. In first oxygen atomic number is 7. So the general electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Here oxygen atomic number is 8. Oxygen atomic number is 8. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. 1s orbital having only one orbital, 2s having one orbital, and p orbital having three degenerated orbitals, that is 2px, 2py, 2pz. In 1s orbital, 1s2 containing 2 electrons, that is 2, and 2s orbital containing 2 electrons. We put 2 electrons in 2s orbital, and 2p4 containing 4 electrons in the degenerated orbitals. According to Aufbau principle, 1, 2, 3, and another one is fourth electron was paired up. And the another oxygen, the oxygen atomic number is 8. Same 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Here in first oxygen having 8 electrons and the second oxygen having 8 electrons to give you 16 electrons. These 16 electrons we can use to draw a molecular orbital energy level diagram. Energy always increases. The bonding molecular orbitals are denoted as sigma and pi, and the anti-bonding orbital was denoted sigma star and pi star. Here first oxygen was I write left side, and the second oxygen having I write the right side. So in first oxygen containing 1s orbital containing 2 electrons and the second orbital containing 2 electrons. These two are these. So 2 plus 2, 4 electrons are participating in the 1s2 sigma 1s2 having 2 electrons and the sigma star having 2s electrons, 2 electrons. Next, in 2s orbital containing in first oxygen atom 2 electrons and the another oxygen atom 2 electrons. So in 2s molecular orbital energy diagram 4 electrons are filled, 2 electrons and 2 electrons, 2 are bonding orbital and the 2 are anti-bonding molecular orbitals. And the another oxygen having in p orbital 4 electrons are filled, 2p4, and the another oxygen also having 4 electrons. This 4 plus 4, 8 electrons are filled with in 2p sigma 2px2 2 electrons, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remaining 2 electrons are filled in anti-bonding orbital, molecular orbital. So these are unpaired electrons. This is the molecular energy level diagram, and next we are calculating the bond order. Bond order equal to, the bond order formula is half of number of bonding molecular orbital electrons minus number of anti-bonding molecular orbital electrons. That is, here in the below the yellow in yellow shade is the easily we are calculating, and the pink shade was anti-bonding orbitals electrons. That in bonding molecular orbital electrons are 2, 2, 4 electrons. Here 6 electrons. So number of bonding molecular orbitals is 10. And anti-bonding electrons were 2, 2. Here 2 electrons. Number of bonding anti-bonding molecular orbital electrons are 6. 10 minus 6 by 2 equal to 2. Now the bond order is 2. In oxygen atoms, in between the oxygen atom, the double bond is present. Here, oxygen MOED diagram, 2 unpaired electrons are present, so it is a paramagnetic nature. The energy order is, here energy always increasing order, so we write below the MOED diagram 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, and sigma 2px2, pi 2py equal to pi 2pz2, and pi star 2py1 equal to pi star 2pz1. So the less than is put in the energy sequence. The energy is increases in higher. This is the molecular orbital diagram of oxygen atom, oxygen molecule. This is the molecular orbital energy level diagram of oxygen molecule. Oxygen is a diatomic molecule. Here 16 electrons are present in oxygen molecule. We are coding N2 having 2 1 2 1, and oxygen having 1 2 2 1. That is 1 orbital, 2 orbitals, 2 orbitals, 1 orbital, 1 2 2 1. This is easy to draw the MOED diagram of oxygen. This is the diagram. Bond order is oxygen molecule is 2. If bond order is 2, the number of bonds between the two oxygen molecules is 2 oxygen is double bond. It having presence of unpaired electron. This is the presence of unpaired electrons. So it is a paramagnetic nature. Thank you, friends.